5 Natural Teeth Whiteners. Apples and other crunchy fruits can be the ideal alternative to cleaning our teeth when we don't have the opportunity to brush after eating. Having good oral health and hygiene is very important. Having a bright, white smile is also an important factor in terms of aesthetics, and it also makes us feel better. Likewise, dental hygiene is something we shouldn't take for granted. Keeping your teeth white can be hard. Sometimes we can't brush our teeth right after eating, and sometimes we skip flossing. In this article, we'll show you 5 natural teeth whiteners who have a brighter smile. 1. Eat fruits and vegetables. Eating fruits and vegetables, especially crunchy ones, is an excellent way to keep your teeth white. Especially carrots, apples and pears, which are naturally abrasive. This means if you drink something that normally stain your teeth, coffee, tea, etc., then eating one of these foods can remove and prevent staining. Additionally, eating these types of fruits and vegetables makes us produce more saliva, which is also great for whitening, as well as keeping bacteria at bay. 2. Baking soda. Baking soda is an ideal natural teeth whitener. The best way to utilize it is to apply it straight to the teeth with a toothbrush. The baking soda will help eliminate stains, while having a whitening effect on our teeth. However, it's important not to use it in excess, as this can cause damage to the tooth enamel. Use sparingly. 3. Cheese. Cheese is a great option to naturally whiten your teeth. Due to its neutral acidity and high mineral content, it protects the tooth enamel. The calcium and phosphate found in cheese is a great help for whitening maintenance. 4. Strawberries. Strawberries are an excellent natural teeth whitener, along with being pretty and delicious. Strawberries have a high vitamin C content, as well as an astringent effect that removes teeth stains and reduces bacterial plaque, which can cause many oral health problems. Mash up some strawberries, put it on your toothbrush, and brush away. Let sit for about 5 minutes, then rinse with water. 5. Brush your teeth every day. Of course, one of the most important recommendations is to simply brush every day, 3 times a day, and/or after you eat. This way, we can maintain good oral health and hygiene, while keeping our teeth white. It's also important, as you well know, to floss regularly to remove food trapped within the teeth. This prevents plaque, which also contributes to yellowing of the teeth and destruction of the enamel.